I'm scared to lose myself or to grow old, and all my shadows.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gino, and today I am showing you guys these amazing peppermint cupcakes that start off with a chocolate cupcake base, and then we decorate it to make it look just like a peppermint right on top. With Thanksgiving officially over, we are moving full throttle into the Christmas and the holiday season, and I am here for it. This cupcake recipe is one of my favorite cupcake recipes ever, and it is super simple to make, so grab your hot chocolate and let's get baking. The cupcake ingredients you will be needing today include 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 3/4 cup of cake flour, 3/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of boiling water, 1 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and these cute little candy cane icing decorations. Before we get started with our cupcake recipe, you first want to preheat your oven to, any guesses? 350 degrees. So like I said, this cupcake recipe is very simple. In a medium bowl, you want to add all of your dry ingredients, starting off with your sugar, your cake flour, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Whisk all of those ingredients together until they are well combined. Now, setting your dry ingredients aside into a larger bowl, you want to add all of your wet ingredients, starting off with your milk, your oil, your vanilla extract, and your 2 eggs. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Whisk those ingredients together, then slowly drizzle in your boiling water, and whisk until well combined. Now that we have our bowl of dry ingredients and our bowl of wet ingredients, now all you want to do is add all of your dry ingredients into your bowl of your wet ingredients and just mix those ingredients together until the 2 sets of ingredients are well combined. I probably said ingredients way too many times. I'm sorry. Now that our cake batter is done, we're going to fill our cupcake pan with some cupcake liners. I have these cute little red peppermint striped ones. In addition to the regular sized cupcakes, I decided to fill a miniature cupcake pan with some miniature cupcake liners as well. Then you want to go ahead and fill all of your cupcake cavities 2/3 of the way full. This cupcake batter recipe makes approximately 24 cupcakes. Now that our cupcakes are ready to go into the oven, we're going to put them into our preheated oven, and these will bake for approximately 18 minutes. So our cupcakes have come out of the oven. I inserted a cake tester and it came out clean, which indicates that the cupcakes are ready to go. They're cooling off on top of my stove over there, and meanwhile we're going to prepare our decorations. I have 2 bags of frosting. I have a red and white bag of frosting. And today I'm going to show you guys a cool trick to make a swirl effect when decorating your cupcakes. So I have my white and red frosting in 12-inch bags. I also have a larger piping bag that we're going to place both of our smaller piping bags into. Today we are also going to be using an 8B Star Tip by Wilton. And essentially you want to place your tip into your large piping bag, then push it back a little bit, cut off the tip, then push your tip back through. Now you want to cut off the 2 tips off of your smaller piping bags filled with frosting and insert them into your larger piping bag. Then you'll start to see a nice swirly effect start to happen. We're also going to be making our very own sprinkle mix. I have these 4 different sprinkle varieties, and essentially I just placed them all into a bowl and just mixed it up. You can definitely use whatever types of sprinkles you have on hand or whatever you may find at your local market. And now it is time for my favorite part of the entire baking process. And no, I'm not talking about the dishes. It is time to decorate. You want to take your frosting, start from the center and work your way around the cupcake. Finish at the end by snapping off. Then you want to dip your cupcake into your bowl of sprinkles. Then you can go ahead and attach your candy decoration. Thank you guys so much for joining me once again on my channel. Remember, this recipe is super versatile. You can use whatever sprinkles, whatever ingredients, You can decorate your cupcakes however you want to. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so you guys can be in the loop of whenever I upload a new video. I hope that you guys enjoy your holidays, and as always, remember to keep it simple yet elegant, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!